Welcome to SwiftTech's How-To series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to translate dynamic content in Zendesk using Help Center Translate. If you're using Zendesk to support customers in multiple languages, you've probably come across something called dynamic content. Dynamic content helps you manage reusable text snippets, like greetings or instructions, and shows the right version based on your customer's language. It's called dynamic content, but it's not so dynamic when you're stuck updating hundreds of items one by one, or having to spend thousands of dollars on agencies to help. That's why we built a feature in Help Center Translate, allowing you to automatically translate all of your dynamic content in bulk using AI. Let's take a look at how it works. To get started, click Reauthorize with Zendesk, and you'll be asked for permissions to allow the app to read and write dynamic content. Once authorized, it will take a few moments for the data to sync into the app. After this is completed, you'll see all of your dynamic content in a clean table format. Click to expand any item and see which languages it's already been translated into. To update any content, just click Edit and make your changes. In this example, we're adding an extra step to clarify how a password task should be completed. Back in the table view, you can select the items you want to translate and click the blue Translate button. On the next screen, just choose your target languages from the drop-down and click Translate. Your English content will now be processed and translated into those languages using AI without needing a human translator. When looking at the table view, you'll be able to check the output of each translation. You can also translate in bulk, select dozens or even thousands of items by clicking Select All and go through the same process. The translations are completed within seconds. If you're on a Help Center Translate subscription, dynamic content is already included in your monthly allowance. And if you haven't already subscribed, you can easily sign up for a monthly or annual plan. For those already accessing SwiftTech, you can use this feature by switching to Help Center Translate from the Apps menu.